I came up with a brilliant plan. Mwahaha. I'm gonna prank my mom and my boyfriend that I'm pregnant again. It's funny because the other day my cousin and I, we were talking about like sometimes a lot of females, when they go to their 6-week appointment, they go and find out they're pregnant again. So that's what I'm gonna do and get their reaction on camera. I don't really like doing pranks because I don't feel like I'm good at it, but because I'm gonna call them over the phone. I'm not gonna tell them in person. So over the phone, so I can, like, you know, if I'm laughing, they can't tell that I'm laughing and stuff like that. But yeah, so I will definitely check in with y'all afterwards when I'm ready to do my prank. I'm just gonna rush because I got 5 minutes to get there. So I'll check y'all a little bit later. All right, y'all, here it goes. This is Bam.
Hello.
Bill. Guess what?
Where
Where they? Yeah, going on.
I'm go feed my monitor. Connect that check.
The doctor talked about birth control, right? So I was like, yeah, I'm interested in whatever. So then she was like, before them put you up on a birth control or anything like that, them need to take a pregnancy test. And guess why?
Sure.
Babe. Oh my god.
No, it's you. Come on, you're on a bar.
Me shook like.
What's it? Answer your call. Hold on. Stop bumping. Carry on a bar.
Even no say no FaceTime me now.
No, I mean, you're on a bar.
No, me, you know me, I never can fake a bar, but no, yes, not go. Me say me that think me should have said it because my record, and I was like, me should have said, me no say no FaceTime me, come to me now. Me say if you FaceTime me, I'll cut off the phone and say nah, connect, but me I say whatever. Yeah. You done a ball.
Yeah, no, that's how I call it.
Oh God! May I call mommy and tell him?
And what?
May I tell her?
So
She's pregnant.
No, she not have her phone. No, she not have her phone.
Wait there. Oh, me call shop. So I knew he was gonna FaceTime me, and I told you this is why I can't do pranks and stuff like that. Like people who do pranks can't have serious poker face. Like me, we laugh and then something. We can't do something there. So my mom's phone is upstairs, so I'm gonna FaceTime. Oh, I'm not FaceTiming Shav. Why am I FaceTiming them? I'm already messing up. Connect back to the car, sir. Shav. Shav phone is always on D&D. Oh, I'm getting hot.
You're my boss.
Wait, mommy there?
I'm upstairs.
Let me call her now. Tell her to answer her phone.
I want you.
Yes. Yes. A doctor me I come from.
You're pregnant again?
Pregnant again, Shav. Yes.
Oh, okay. Why? Two. Sorry. I like it. You're bomb, club.
Shav, me now joke. Me then I parking lot talk. Why they all FaceTiming me?
I like it. Where are you going?
I'm stressed out.
You too light. Would be nice.
Would be nice. I can't manage Kai one other one.
I'm joking.
Let me call mommy.
Alright.
Shav say my go upstairs. You see, they all FaceTiming me. Shav kind of believe, but he don't really believe. Mommy now? I'm scared to tell mommy. I mean, it's not real, but
Hey,
mommy,
where?
guess what?
Where? Hey,
Yes,
what happened?
I'm pregnant.
What?
I'm pregnant.
Open.
What?
You're lucky. But I can't check on these things. Alpha.
Yo, here's
This
Shav.
one upstairs. This one upstairs. I want to go to the contact on you. Go to the contact on you.
Boy. Mommy is not, she's not excited about this one like she was at the first.
Where are they?
Me I come, when me come. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm going home. I was gonna stop, but I'm gonna go home because I gotta catch this reaction. Yo, I knew Sweets wasn't gonna believe me because he FaceTimed me and I told you I don't have a poker face. Like I would laugh. Yes, sir?
Shire.
Kairsha? What that for?
The baby name.
So you think about baby name already?
Of course, right away.
Kairsha? Me not like that.
You better find one, you fuck.
At least me catch that one there early.
You better bring it. Nobody got that show.
You see me I walk out of that shit belly?
I never say I dash your belly, but you start bad. So I don't know if that's any intention.
So me fi do, me not fi ball, kinda just born.
You have 9 more months more, won't you? 9. Damn, dog.
I don't know, so me get one ball on my foot and me say, somebody else get knocked. Me show you when me come on my right foot.
That one a funny star.
It's not funny, Shav.
You're not funny? You're funny to me. One more gun pick me. You happy?
Me?
What's that? How are you?
Me a turn right light up, so me just turn the light.
Everything a ball for.
Them fiddle.
Where a ball for? You're a big woman. Soon 40.
Who soon 40? You're out harder.
Soon 50.
I am at soon 50.
Me take a computer so I go look for name.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit you. Okay. Alright.
So I look for name.
I'm not look for no baby.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, move like. As one come. Whoa, that one is a funny star. That's why you not lose weight. Clean up my nose. I can't follow in a rabbit train when you want. Yeah, that is girl.
I God have mercy.
Everything about it, you're just fool too.
So they know me for do. I will have a responsibility that you know.
Yeah, go, yeah. Boy, no, yeah, go. Just quit your job.
And what?
I'm going to find someone who can make at least $50 an hour.
Really?
So we have to move out. Where
me put baby?
Yeah, take it and give me a room. I said, where am I going to put your next baby? How do you feel like this a prank?
Yeah, something there. I love the prank.
How do you feel like a prank, mommy? And check out these and say nothing.
Can check out stock. Check out boy no believe.
Yeah, come loud because they say, "Boy, we want baby. We don't want no baby."
How would that? How you tell us already, mommy?
Shall me come in, you know. Guys, as soon as me go in, them are gonna say like me I tell so the prank done. The prank done because as soon as me walk in, them are gonna know. Alright, so me I go in now. I'm going back inside. I need to come up with a poker face. They thought I was crying. My eyes don't even look like I've been crying. What else can I do? And I can't have the camera. Y'all gonna have to listen in. I'm gonna put the camera in my pocketbook and just like acting like I'm emptying out my bag and just like put it close so y'all can actually see something. I'm gonna try, but they're gonna know I'm lying as soon as I walk in there. But let's go. They already saying they think it's a prank, so yeah. But the thing I can get away with is like I've never done a prank before, so. And I gotta be careful in case they're watching me through the mirror. Alright, BRB.
We have a bed, no movie.
Prank with me. You ever seen that prank?
When you call it,
Hold on. He came out with me here, but
that's film business. That's film.
whoa, me dance. You don't wanna.
When you start pranking, that's why I got upstairs.
You ready for cuss now? Focus camera. No, you're ready for cuss now. Boy, carelessness. Yeah, you ready for cuss, man? No, I come boy, carelessness. Yeah, don't cuss. That sharp chat, you should make you go and look a bit.
Oh.
Making cuss.
That's how that's cool, no business.
Say, how do you happy for that one, yeah?
No.
What's that? I am happy, boy. Eh? So you don't want another grandchild?
No.
You chat too much, man.
No problem. I promise you check out move so. And check out so serious.
Me look funny, man, when me talk to you, look no way me saying.
Guys, as soon as me reach in, they know it's a prank. That's why I can't do pranks. I told you. That's why I don't do pranks.
Me tell check because that a fish and check a business.
I need food to all the ball.
Me need the ball. Because that gets me, when I call and tell Checker, you know, in FaceTime, can say me down a ball, so I say, alright, when I talk to mommy now, I go ball, because I never ball when I call him. Me get to know feel look a bit, man. Me catch you. Me catch you. Shop me catch you.
You don't catch nobody.
Shop me catch you.
You don't catch me?
You don't catch me.
You don't catch me now. From right there, you know, we are talking from. I promise you, check us down this and take on the team.
Pass that, you know.
He catch you no man. He catch you no look a bit.
You don't catch me.
He catch you no look a bit.
You don't catch me.
No, can you start? Well, catch me because when me start, cause no, no, cause no, I'm boy carelessness.
No, when movie they just come in movie say that's a fiancé, you know, usually that means
yeah.
Ask her.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see me do more pranks, like I'm not gonna do more pranks. It's not really my thing, as you can see. I can't do something, yeah.